Item: SCP-873. Object Class: Euclid. Special Containment Procedures. Revised C. Containment Procedure Updates. 3 wide-spectrum high-definition cameras shall be mounted in order to maintain 360-degree observation of SCP-873 on a continual basis. Revised C. Containment Procedure Updates. Containment Procedure Update 20. Until further notice, physical access to SCP-873, as well as access to recorded video from SCP-873 is restricted to Level 4 researchers with O5 approval. Containment Procedure Update 20. SCP-873 is to be permanently relocated to site and stored in a concrete-lined vault at least 2,000 meters below ground and at least 100 kilometers from any other SCP containment facility or human population center. Archives of video surveillance are to be encrypted to a secure, dedicated data warehouse with access limited to Level 4 and above. Any changes in mass, volume or apparent refractive index must be reported immediately to O5 Command. Description: SCP-873 is a spherical object 138 mm across with a detectable mass of 5.3 kg. It gives the appearance of being made of flawless glass or crystal, but all attempts to determine the material of its construction have been inconclusive. No attempt to remove a sample has been successful, and spectroscopic analysis has shown no absorption spectra that can be attributed to the object. Because of its anomalous properties, its refractive index can only be estimated. The object is transparent, but only 50% of photons entering the sphere will emerge, while a variable percentage of photons emerging from SCP-873 originate from SCP-873 itself. This has been confirmed using quantum entanglement and a coherent light source. The photons emerging from SCP-873 appear to originate from light striking an identical object displaced in both time and space from SCP-873. This object has been designated SCP-873-, or SCP-873 feet. The anomalous effects of both SCP-873 and SCP-873 feet seem identical, in that an observer of SCP-873 feet will perceive 50% of photons striking SCP-873 as being emitted from SCP-873 feet, whereas SCP-873 emits 50% of photons striking SCP-873 feet. In addition, while the light emitted from SCP-873 shows no anomalous properties in and of itself, the images provided are presented in strict reverse chronological order. To an observer of SCP-873 it appears that SCP-873 feet is moving backwards in time at a rate of exactly 1 second per second. The effect is mirrored for any observer of SCP-873 feet, who would perceive their images from SCP-873 as progressing backward in time at the same 1:1 ratio. Despite the differences in perception of time between observers of SCP-873 and SCP-873 feet, written communication has been possible. Unfortunately, information transfer is often hindered by quantum interference rendering messages illegible. It has been theorized that the interference is a form of paradox censorship. Current observations and experiments are recording images from SCP-873 feet in the possession of Dr. Ivan, a physician to the court of Tsar Alexander IN 18.